Batangas VTS, Batangas VTS. This is Motor Vessel Precision. Do you hear me? Loud and clear. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. I hear you're excellent, loud and clear. Change your channel in 1, 2, over.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. Changing to channel 1, 2, over.
MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas. What is your ETA to pilot station? Over.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My ETA is 0800 hours 30 of October 2022 year. Local. Over.
MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas. What is your call sign?
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My call sign is 3FED3. Over.
MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas. What is your last port call? How many person on board and your gross tonnage? Over.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. Way last part call is Japan. I have 3-4 person on board. And gross tonnage is 23,210 metric tons. Over.
MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas. Do you carry any dangerous goods? Over.
Batangas VTS, this is Motor Vessel Precision. Yes, I am carrying 25 liters of IMDG Class 3. Over.
MV Precision, this is BTS Batangas. Your message is understood. You must call when you pass Island Alpha on channel 16. Over.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. We will call you after we passed on Island Alpha on channel 16. Over.
MV Precision, standby on channel 16. Over.
Batangas BTS, we will stand by channel 16. Over.